What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay, you guys, the kitchen towels, the summer themed ones, they're here. And it looks like some of them are already starting to sell out. We have the velour, yes, the velour kitchen towels. These are, I think, all $194. They feel really, really nice and luxurious. I love buying kitchen towels. We also have this one. I mean, these feel so nice, you guys. Like, this one feels so amazing. And it has pink in it. I think I need it. Yeah, I think I need it. If you were watching my last video, I did not buy the bowls because I couldn't make up my mind. So instead, I think I'm just going to get some kitchen towels. We also have tie-dye towels. Well, I should say a single tie-dye towel is left. These towels just feel so amazing, you guys. They're like so plush and so soft. We also have some super pretty pineapples down here. Wow, these are really, really nice. And I mean nice. Okay, let me compare the prints. Does anyone else do that? Does anyone else compare the prints and you're like, okay, which print do I like? Are they identical? They're pretty close to identical. Sometimes they're not though. I think I'll go with these two. Those are so pretty. You guys have to feel these. You have to feel them. They feel amazing. Okay, let's go over here. We have all of our summer towels. Oh my gosh, you guys. The matching pool towel. So we have a kitchen towel that matches a beach towel. That has to be a first. But the kitchen ones, they feel a lot softer. I wish I could just buy, you know, as pretty as these towels are, I really want to buy them every year, but that's totally unnecessary. Like, I have some really, really nice, like $40 each towels that I got from Kohl's on clearance for like, I don't know how much they were, probably like $6 each or something. But they were like a really, really high quality, nice towel. Plus, you guys know how Kohl's is overpriced. But anyways, I totally don't need any towels, but I want to buy towels. If I lived like right down the street from the pool and was going like all the time, or lived like right down the street from the beach, I would probably have a dedicated closet just to beach towels. You know what I mean? Like, I would probably splurge and do that, because these, you guys, these feel like blankets. Like, you could probably get one of these and use it as a blanket for a baby, or a throw blanket. If you just really want to have one and you're like, yeah, I'm going to get my new towel blanket and I'm getting it and I'm going to enjoy it. Like, I know that kind of sounds like a funny idea, but seriously, these Better Homes towels are really nice. These ones over here are $4.88. All of these. And then these are also $4.88. Again, we have the matching towels that match the kitchen towels. And these are all $9.44. Beach Vibes. We have birds. This one is so pretty. This one is gorgeous, you guys. It's gorgeous. So pretty. And then we have some really nice and coordinating water bottles over here. This one matched the kitchen towel pretty much for $4.98. These are all stainless steel. This is what the lid looks like. The green is so pretty. We have pink, we have peach or a coral. We have unicorns. Jess, if you're watching, I know Bree loves unicorns. Oh my gosh, you guys, the yellow is so cute. The yellow, the blue. Look at this, you guys. All of the water bottles are sold out. People have been shopping. And they have been buying water bottles. These are all still here. These are only 98 cents each, you guys. And look how big they are. These are nice, you guys. If you have a hard time finding storage bins at your Dollar Tree, come to Walmart and get some of those for 98 cents. Okay, I wanted to take you guys to the clearance aisle. So let's go there. Hi. Okay, you guys, we've made it to the clearance aisle. Did they finally get rid of the back to school stuff? Almost. They almost did. Okay, we have sanitizing wands, carpet cleaning machine formula, $12. KitchenAid knives, $10.98, down from almost $20. Over here we have a bunch of folders for $1.50. Workbooks, pencils, sports wipes, 400 wipes, down from $24.96. Better Homes lamp bases for $13.53. A hockey set for $16. A net goal for $16. Goal stick and ball set for $16, down from $24.97. More of the phone sanitizing travel bags. It's like a sterilizing bag. The super expensive face masks, the lowest I've seen those anywhere were $5 in one of my other stores, but they're still $19 here. Street hockey balls for $20, down from $34.97. Kind of looking a little empty over here, huh, you guys? Kind of a little empty. Mr. Coffee, $29.94, down like $5. A cooling mattress cover for $35. More Better Homes lamp bases, $36.95. An indoor safe portable radiant heater, down just $14. So far, I'm not impressed with the clearance aisle at all. Not impressed. $52, down from $54.97. Come on, Walmart. Do you guys remember last week we were on the clearance aisle and some of the stuff was marked $3 and we turned it over and on the back it had a $3 price tag? That's not good clearance, you know? Rubbing alcohol, a pickling vinegar base, down a few dollars. Yeah, you guys, it's not that great in here this week. At least not in my store. Down 97 cents. A Revlon root erase, down 30 cents. These were like $1 something in my other store. This is only down 97 cents, you guys. I'm not impressed, you guys. I'm not impressed at all with the clearance. But my favorite place to look when I'm here is this clearance over here. Because sometimes we can find some really amazing deals. But you have to scan. You have to scan, scan, scan. And please make sure that your Walmart app is set to the correct zip code. Because last week I thought I found a bunch of deals on hidden clearance. And then I got up to the register, you guys, and realized that I had the wrong zip code in. Ooh, lots of new makeup by NYX, but it's blocked by the clearance. Matte lippies, highlighter. We have new palettes, but again, no one can really see it because it's blocked. But anyways, you guys, that's it for me. I'm gonna consider whether or not I want to film another video in here, but I have to get some groceries and it's getting close to closing time, so chances are I probably won't. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for joining me here in Walmart. Please check out my Walmart playlist, and if you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.